Hi guys, in this video I will show you that how you can fix the disk read error on your Steam. So I will show you guys the two effective solution to fix this problem, so make sure you watch this entire video. So first, close the Steam completely from your PC, click on this arrow icon and just close your Steam. And then just go to the Windows search and type the Steam and just right click on your Steam and you will see the option open file location. Just click on that and right click on your Steam here and go to its properties. Now you can go to the compatibility and now here make sure this option is ticked, which is the run the program as an administrator. So the Steam has the access to modify all the files on your PC or the Steam game files, so it can easily fix the problem if you run the program as an administrator. But it is not necessary. You can try the next solution. So you can open up the Steam settings, go to the storage, and here you will just select your drive and then click on the three dot option and then click on the repair library. So it is the built-in function by the Steam and it can fix the issue 90%. So you can try this solution, and if this works, it will fix your corrupted files on your game or the missing files. So after that, just completely exit from your Steam and just restart your Steam and your problem is fixed. And guys, if this worked, please make sure to hit the like button down below in this video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.